this video, I'm going to show you how to export a section of your video from CapCut. Well, it's very easy to do it. So first of all, you have to drag your edit or your clip into the timeline. Now I will just cut it. So I will just export and show you how to do it. So I will just do a normally thing here. For example, let's say that here. So I will cut this video here exactly in the middle, and I will just again cut my video. So I just want to export this only the middle part. So how I can do it? So well, to select this clip, there is a many way. You can select like this, you can select click and hold like this, or you can also select a different part. Of course, you can adjust that. By doing that, press I in your keyboard to start and O in your keyboard to end it. So I just want to export this highlighted part. So how I will do it, if you just click on cancel, then this part will get cancelled. So to export it, of course we have selected this part. Now we will go to the export section here, and you can see here, this is why I will select my 1080p, and depending upon your requirement I will click on export, and it will just take a few seconds to export your video, and then it's done. Right, as you can see here, that only middle part has got exported. So this is pretty easy. You have to select the certain part of the video which you can do it. And if you found this video very useful, subscribe.